Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to make money with using AI art generator. So let's get start the video. The first free AI art generator is Jinba AI. Jinba is an AI tool specializing in print-on-demand design. Open your web browser and search for Jinba AI. Once you are on the website, click on Start for Free button. Sign in with your Google or email account. In the prompt box, write down the art details. You can also try one of these. From the design menu, you can select which design you want to print. After everything is set, click on the Generate button. Wait for a few seconds. After the generating is complete, you can download the art by clicking Download. You can also remove the background from here. The next free AI tool is Playground AI. Open your web browser and go to the Playground AI website. Click on Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Write down your prompt here. Click here and from the drop-down menu, select your image style. From the right side of your screen, you'll find various settings. You can select a preset and the different model from here. I'm gonna choose a Stable Diffusion XL. After that, select the image width and height. Scroll down and select the number of images you would like to generate. After everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating. Click on the little plus icon and choose Download from the drop-down menu to download your AI-generated art. There are various websites where you can sell your AI art and earn money. I'm gonna show you some best website for selling AI art. The first website to sell your AI art is Jizzle. You can see their trending products from their trending menu. Then create AI art with AI based on the trending list and sell them. The second website is TPublic. You can follow trends on this website to generate more sales. Trending charts will automatically show on the charts box. Create your account and make some trendy arts and upload them. The next website is Redbubble. Create an account and upload your arts. The last one is Spreadshirt. So they are the website you can sell your AI art and earn money. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.